Hey, y'all. It's Wednesday. It's wonderful Wednesday, and we're halfway to the weekend. Now, today you are in for a treat. Miss Brown has truly practiced her craft with this fictional story that you're about to read today. However, I still want you to think about the linear plot, the non-linear plot elements such as flashbacks and foreshadowing. You're going to make inference and use a dictionary to determine word meaning. Also, consider the character motivations. This is going to be a fun and exciting day. Guys, again, the story is fictional, only in my imagination. Let's have a wonderful day on purpose.